Hi, I'm Sabrina Bryant. This is my first semester here at BYU, Idaho, but I've been going to the junior college near my house in California for the past couple years. So this is my presentation. I want to be a therapist. So my future job description and duties would be providing counseling for especially youth and young adults to help them overcome the challenges and difficulties in their lives. I'd like to help people learn skills to deal with challenges, especially mental challenges or disorders such as depression and anxiety. For that, I'm going to need a bachelor's degree as well as a master's. A doctorate is useful, but it is not something I am interested in pursuing, so I will not be getting that. A 4-year plan is basically the rest of my education. I have about 1.5 to 2 years left on my bachelor's, and then I will be going to a master's program, which will take 1 to 3 years depending on which program I go through. One reason I'm majoring in psychology is because I think that the human brain is amazing and super interesting. I love learning about the brain and what it does. And I think it's cool because it's a relatively small part of our body, but it controls so much of how we feel and what we do. Another reason that I want to be a therapist is because I want to help missionaries to be able to cope with the anxiety and depression that often comes with serving a mission. I had to come home early from my mission because the anxiety and depression that I had before my mission increased and got worse on my mission. And so I would like to help other people so that they can hopefully stay out the whole time, or to help them when they come home, because coming home from a mission is hard for everyone, but especially for early return missionaries, that can be really difficult. So how do my reasons compare to those in Chapter 13? I have an interest in psychology, and I want to be a therapist. And that is the end of my presentation.